Hi everybody, I welcome you all to the lecture of English grammar session number 3, and our topic for today shall be how to add to the sentence or use of TOO in the sentence. Let us move ahead. Let us see the basic format of the questions. We have to add TOO space and again a 2 in the sentence generally, right? There will be two different sentences in your question. બે અલગ-અલગ sentences આપેલા હશે which will be separated by a full stop. Generally, in the first sentence, there will be a word very or any other word carrying a similar meaning or sense. બે sentence આપેલા હશે એમાંથી જે first sentence હશે એમાં ક્યાંક ને ક્યાંક very word નો use થયેલો હશે, or instead of very there might be some another word which is carrying a similar meaning or sense. The word very will be substituted by TOO in the first sentence. Most important point. જ્યાં બી તમને word very દેખાય એની જગ્યાએ TOO આવશે. In second sentence, changes will be made depending upon subject of both the sentences. Changes આવશે અહીંયા, right? In second sentence, changes will be made depending upon the subject of both the sentences. You are having two different sentences. Depending upon their subjects, we will make the change in the second sentence. We will explain this in detail now. Generally, the second part of sentence will be made positive if it is negative or vice versa. જે સેકન્ડ સેન્ટેન્સ હશે જો એ નેગેટિવ હોય તો એને પોઝિટિવ બનાવશું, પોઝિટિવ હોય તો એને નેગેટિવ બનાવશું. નાઉ ધીસ ઇઝ એક્ઝેક્ટલી ઓપોઝિટ ઓફ વોટ વી આર ડુઇંગ ઇન remove2 માં બી આપણે આવું જ કરતા હતા. જે સેન્ટેન્સનો સેકન્ડ પાર્ટ હતો પોઝિટિવ હોય તો નેગેટિવ બનાવવાનો, નેગેટિવ હોય તો પોઝિટિવ બનાવવાનો. It can be also asked as combine the sentences. Yes, માની લ્યો તમને બે સેન્ટેન્સીસ આપેલા હોય તો દર વખતે એવું નહીં લખેલું હોય કે use TOO or add TOO. એવું બી આપેલું હશે કે combine the following sentences. એની અંદર તમને ક્યાંય very દેખાઈ જાય first part માં તો you have to use TOO. Simple logic, right? Let us move ahead. Let us now see some of the examples of how the questions will look. As you can see, there are two sentences over here, right? First sentence and then we are having the second sentence. Once again, when I see over here, again I have first sentence and second sentence. He is very old, he cannot work. He is very stupid, he will not pass the test. He is very old, he cannot walk without support. She was very distressed, she could not answer my questions. You are very young, you cannot get married. In all these 5 examples, you can see that there are two sentences, right? Separated by a full stop over here. Second thing you can see is very in the first sentence. See the use of word very over here. So this is a marker for you that ક્યારે બી તમને આવું દેખાય અને ક્વેશ્ચનમાં કીધેલું હોય combine the sentences, you can easily point out. Third thing that you need to notice is over here. You can see negativity in the second sentence. Cannot, will not, cannot, could not, cannot, right? Please be very cautious about this. You can see negativity over here at majority of the times. જ્યારે અહીંયા positive use કરેલું હોય ત્યારે થોડુંક ધ્યાન રાખવું પડશે. Fine. Let us see some more examples. The puzzle was very difficult. I could not solve it. Again, there are two sentences. Negativity in the second one, use of very in the first sentence. He is very strong, you cannot beat him. Again, use of very over here, use of negativity over here. The water is very salty, I cannot drink it. The question was very easy, so she answered. The question is very difficult, I cannot answer it. Again, you can see negativity over here, use of very over here. This fourth example is special. Here there is a use of very, but you cannot see any negativity over here, right? Apart from that, I have divided this into two parts. Why? These are 5 one type of questions, these are 5 another type of questions. Although they might look similar, તમને લાગે છે એ જ જેવું છે. અહીંયા બી બે sentences છે, અહીંયા બી બે sentences છે, અહીંયા first part માં very નો use છે, અહીંયા બી છે. Still they are different. Understand how? Let us examine the subjects of sentences over here. What is the subject over here? He. What is the subject in the second part? He. What is the subject over here? He. Again, what is the subject over here? Again, I can see he. Subject is he. Again, subject is he. It is not about he. Here you can see, here the subject is she, here the subject is she. What I am telling is, subject is same in first sentence as well as second sentence. Over here also, over here also, and over here also. Let us see the third, for last one, you. And here also we are having you as our subject. So in all these 5 sentences, the subject is same both in the first sentence as well as the second sentence. While when I examine over here, the subject over here is the puzzle and the subject over here is I. You can clearly see that the subjects here are different. The puzzle is a different subject, I is a different subject. Second example, he and you. For the first sentence, the subject is he. For the second sentence, the subject is you. The subject over here is the water, here the subject is I. Subject is the question, subject is she. Subject is the question, subject is I. So in the first 5 sentences, we have same subject in both the sentences. And in the last 5 sentences, we are having different subject in both the sentences. And based upon it, there will be a small change in the way you write your answer. Right? બંનેમાં આન્સર લખવાની પેટર્નમાં થોડો ફેર આવશે. સો આઈ હોપ ધ ક્વેશ્ચન્સ આર નાઉ ક્લિયર ટુ યુ. ક્વેશ્ચન જોઈને તમને ખબર પડવી જોઈએ તમારે શું કામ કરવાનું છે. તમારે જોવાનું છે તે ફર્સ્ટ સેન્ટેન્સમાં વેરી આપેલું છે કે નહીં. If very is not given, sorry for the disturbances in the background, if very is not given, you have to look for a word which is similar to very. આ જોવાનું. બીજી વસ્તુ શું જોવાની છે કે ફર્સ્ટ સેન્ટેન્સનો સબ્જેક્ટ અને સેકન્ડ સેન્ટેન્સનો સબ્જેક્ટ સેમ છે ઓર ડિફરન્ટ છે. Based upon this, your answering pattern will be also different. I request you to please pause the video and write these examples in your CW. The questions આવા દેખાશે તમને અને આને માર્ક કરો કે સબ્જેક્ટ સેમ હશે કે ડિફરન્ટ હશે. Now let us solve some examples of this type and some examples of this type and look into the details of how we write the answer of such questions. One more thing, it is not always necessary that you will get question of this type only. આવો તમને ક્વેશ્ચન લખીને આપીને કે એડ ટુ, તો એ તો આપણે કરશું જ. બટ આના સિવાય જે આપણે પ્રીવિયસલી કર્યું હતું, જ્યારે આપણે રિમૂવ ટુ કરતા હતા ત્યારે સો અને ધેટ લખેલું આવતું હતું, એવો ક્વેશ્ચન બી તમને પૂછાઈ શકે કે જેની અંદર સો અને ધેટ લખેલું હોય અને તમને કે આની અંદર ટુ એડ કરો. તો એ તો બહુ સિમ્પલ છે. રિમૂવ ટુ માં જે કર્યું હતું એનું એક્ઝેક્ટ ઓપોઝિટ કરવાનું, તો એડ ટુ થઈ જશે. જો ક્વેશ્ચન આ ટાઈપનો ન દેખાતો હોય તો માની લ્યો અહીંયા બે અલગ અલગ સેન્ટેન્સીસ છે, પણ જો ક્વેશ્ચનની અંદર સિંગલ સેન્ટેન્સ હોય તો એની અંદર સો અને ધેટ હશે. બરાબર ને? તો સો અને ધેટ ને રિમૂવ કરીને આપણે વળી પાછો ટુ એડ કરવાનો. એના માટેની પ્રોસિજર રિમૂવ ટુ થી બિલકુલ ઓપોઝિટ હશે. Fine. Let us now move ahead and solve examples of both the types. We will put the heading as if the same subject is present in both the sentences, and then we shall solve the questions of this type where different subjects are present in both the sentences. Please write this and let us move ahead. Let us now solve some examples or some questions which have same subject in both the sentences. Right? Same subject in both the sentences. Let us move ahead. This is the question. He is very old. He cannot work. આ આપણને question આપેલો છે. You can clearly see that there are 2 sentences. This is the first sentence carrying a complete meaning. This is another sentence carrying the complete meaning. Right? We are having 2 sentences over here. Now, let us first identify whether they have same subject or not. Identify whether the subjects are same or not. I can see the subject over here is he. Here also the subject is he. So there are same subjects in both the sentences. અહીંયા બી he છે, અહીંયા બી he છે. મતલબ એક જ ભાઈની વાત થાય છે. Right? Replace the word very by to. We have to replace this word very by to. So I will now start writing my answer. What I have to do in the first sentence is I have to only remove the very by to or replace the word very by to. So instead of very, I shall write to. So he is too old. only change that I have done is I have removed the word very and I have added the word to over here. Now remove the subject from second sentence is very important step. If the subject in both the cases is same, I have to remove the subject from the second sentence. So I will remove it. Next, add to instead of existing verb. मतलब અહીંયા cannot છે. એ cannot આપણે remove કરવાનો છે અને એની જગ્યાએ શું એડ કરવાનો છે to. Right? See, remove the subject, we remove this one and add to અને પછી પાછળ શું વધ્યું વર્ક તો એ બી આપણે લખવાનું અહીંયા. Right? So he is too old to work. Original question શું હતો? He is very old, he cannot work. એ એટલો બધો ઓલ્ડ છે તે કામ કરી શકતો નથી. એ આપણે રિવાઇઝડ ફોર્મેટમાં લખ્યું. He is too old to work. એ ભાઈ ઘણા જ ઓલ્ડ છે કામ કરવા માટે. બોલવાનો સેન્સ અહીંયા માત્ર ડિફરન્ટ છે. As we are talking about the same person in first sentence and second sentence, there is a requirement of only one subject over here. That's it. Right? ખૂબ જ સિમ્પલ છે. Fifth point છે important છે. Generally the sentence will be negative, but if positive, add not. જે આ સેકન્ડ સેન્ટેન્સ છે એની વાત થઈ છે. સેકન્ડ સેન્ટેન્સ છે એ જનરલી નેગેટિવ જ હશે 90% ઓફ ધી ટાઈમ્સ, બટ જો એ પોઝિટિવ હોય તો એને નેગેટિવ બનાવવા માટે આપણે નોટ એડ કરવો પડશે અહીંયા. એવા બી ક્વેશ્ચન્સ આપણે જોશું. I hope this is very much clear to you. I request you to write this question and answer as well as the steps. Please pause the video and write this in your CW. One more example with the same subjects. He is very stupid. He will not pass the test. First sentence, second sentence. What is the first step that I have to do? I have to identify whether the subjects are same or not. Right, so I can see the subject over here is he. Here also the subject is he. The subjects are same. Next step, replace the word very by to. So I will write he is. Instead of very, I shall write to and stupid. He is too stupid. Now remove the subject from second sentence as they are same. Remove this will not and instead of will not we shall write to. અને પછી શું વધે છે? pass the test. તો to pass the test. Very simple. કોઈ problem જ નથી. Please pause the video and write this example in your CW. You need not to write the steps again and again. Let us see one more example which is having same subjects in both the sentences. She was very distressed. She could not answer my questions. Two things to notice. First of all, that we are having same subjects in both the sentences. Second thing, the sentence is in past tense, which you have to take care about. Right? Again, what we shall do is identify the subjects in both the sentences. So I have she over here and she over here. I can clearly see that the subjects are same in both the cases. Next, I have to replace this very with the word to. So she was too distressed. Instead of very distressed, I will write too distressed. Then remove the subject from second sentence as they are same. Remove this could not. Instead of that, we shall write to. And then the remaining part, that is answer my questions. She was, sorry for the disturbance, she was too distressed to answer my questions. Right? Sentence is already negative, so we need not, it is automatically turned into positive and we need not to worry about this. Please pause the video and write this example in your CW. Next, we shall discuss some examples where we have different subjects in both the sentences. The puzzle was very difficult. I could not solve it. Here I am having two different things. The puzzle is a different subject. I is a different subject. Right? So here, instead of the second subject, instead of removing the second subject, we shall make the subject into an object. Previously, we were removing the subject from here. Why? Both the subjects were same. Here we are having two different subjects. So this subject will remain as it is. This subject will be turned down into an object. Rest will remain same. Right? Again, identify the subjects. So here the subject is the puzzle. Here the subject is I. So I can clearly see that the subjects are different. Again the same story, replace the word very with to. So first part ની અંદર કોઈ change જ નથી. Method of solving is same. The puzzle was, instead of very I will write to. The puzzle was too difficult. Now the story changes, right? Now I have to write for and change the subject to the object in second sentence. એટલે અહીંયા આ લખાઈ ગયું, પછી સૌથી પહેલા કયો વર્ડ આવશે? for, right? And change the subject into the object. I ની જગ્યાએ શું થઈ જશે? me. Here you are changing the subject into an object. I નું શું બની ગયું છે? me બની ગયું છે, right? Add to instead of existing verb. આ existing verb would not નીકળી જશે, એની જગ્યાએ to આવી જશે. Write the main verb or action in base form. મતલબ અહીંયા solve છે એ એના base form માં હોવું જોઈએ, તો already base form માં છે. To solve. And we have to remove this it. Remove the object from second sentence. મતલબ જે પૂરેપૂરો second sentence છે એનો જે object છે it, એને આપણે remove કરવું પડશે. So the puzzle was, very ની જગ્યાએ આવી ગયું to, difficult. અહીંયા જે I છે એની જગ્યાએ for અને subject નું બની જશે object for me. આ remove થઈને to આવી જશે to, અને આવડું આ એના base form માં લખવાનું solve. It will be removed. Very easy. Please pause the video, write this and also the steps in your CW. Let us solve some more examples of the same type. He is very strong. You cannot beat him. See, again we are having two different subjects over here. He and you. Strong કોણ છે? He. And you cannot beat him. So again, first thing is, I will replace this word very with to. So he is too strong. Now, in the second sentence, the subject is different from the first sentence. So I will compulsorily write over here for, and I will change this subject to object. તો you તો second person છે, એમાં subject માં બી you કહેવાય ને object માં બી you જ કહેવાય, તો અહીંયા આવી જશે for you. બરાબર છે? Cannot will be removed and instead of it I shall write to. Beat is in its base form, so I will write to beat. અને જે original second sentence છે એનો જે object છે him, that will be removed. So I am removing the object from the second sentence, right? He is very strong. એની જગ્યાએ આવી ગયું he is too strong for you to beat. I hope the pattern is clear to you. Please pause the video and write this example only in your CW. Let us solve one more example. The question was very easy, so she answered. Very very important, ખૂબ જ ધ્યાન આપીને સાંભળજો. The subjects are different. The question and she. Second thing you have to identify is, here the second sentence is positive. હજી સુધી આપણે જેટલા બી એક્ઝામ્પલ સોલ્વ કર્યા ત્યાં સેકન્ડ સેન્ટેન્સ નેગેટિવ હતો, અહીંયા પોઝિટિવ છે તો આપણે એને નેગેટિવ બનાવવો પડશે. Rest story will remain same. The question was very easy, so instead of very I will write to. The question was too easy. અડધો ક્વેશ્ચન તો અહીંયા સોલ્વ થઈ ગયો, right? Now what I have to do, I have to add for over here and change the subject to object. તો she subject છે એને object માં change કરો તો her બની જશે. So instead of show and see we will get for her, right? Add to instead of existing verb, write the main verb or action in the base form. Now see, answered is the past participle form of the word answer. બરાબર ને? answer નું શું છે? answered. તો answered માંથી answer બની જશે, સમજાય છે? બેઝ ફોર્મ માં આવી જશે. અને આ પોઝિટિવ છે તો નેગેટિવ બનાવવા માટે આપણે નોટ વર્ડ એડ કરવો પડશે, રાઈટ? સો સૌથી પહેલા તો આવી ગયો ટુ, બરાબર ને? ફોર હર આવી ગયો છે, અહીંયા શું લખ્યું છે? ટુ, બરાબર ને? આન્સર્ડ નું શું થઈ ગયું? આન્સર, બેઝ ફોર્મમાં. બટ નેગેટિવ બનાવવા માટે આપણે અહીંયા નોટ એડ કરવો પડે છે. I hope this is very much clear to you. અહીંયા ક્યાંય ફરી પાછો ઓબ્જેક્ટ છે જ નહીં, નહીં તો ક્વેશ્ચન છે અને અહીંયા ઓબ્જેક્ટ બનાવીને પાછો લખવામાં આવ્યો હોય બટ નથી. I will explain you once again. The question was too easy. અહીંયા સુધી બધું ક્લિયર છે. અહીંયા આપણે સબ્જેક્ટ નું ઓબ્જેક્ટ બનાવ્યું, બરાબર ને? સબ્જેક્ટ નું શું બનાવી દીધું? ઓબ્જેક્ટ ફોર હર. પછી આપણે કમ્પલસરીલી TO2 એડ કરીએ છીએ અને આને બેઝ ફોર્મમાં લખીએ છીએ. એ તો આપણને આવડે જ છે, બરાબર ને? આના પછી TO2 અને આન્સર નું શું થઈ ગયું? આન્સર. બટ એક જ વસ્તુ નવી છે આપણા માટે, બરાબર ને? અહીંયા સેન્ટેન્સ પોઝિટિવ છે તો એને નેગેટિવ બનાવવા માટે આપણે નોટ લખીએ છીએ. The question was too easy for her to not answer. Sentence question શું છે? The question was very easy so she answered. એને આપણે બીજી રીતના કહીએ છીએ, ક્વેશ્ચન એટલો બધો ઈઝી હતો તે જવાબ ન આપે એવું બને જ નહીં, એને જવાબ આપ્યો જ હશે. Right? Very much important. Please pause the video and write this example in your CW. Alright, so we have finished one more topic in our English grammar session. We shall have a small test of 20 marks on Sunday 29th at 6:30 p.m. Please write this all things in your grammar book. Thank you very much. Goodbye.